I'll be back with you in a minute, girl. Ready? Here we go. Hey! You okay, buddy? You look a little sad that it snowed. I'm gonna grab my jumper cables, throw them inside the pickup. See how stiff they are? Oh. Well, this is hard to do one-handed. There we go. Throw them inside the pickup so they'll be a little more flexible when I get there, because I'll probably use them because it was 22 below when I left my house this morning. It was 22 below when I left this morning. I have no idea how cold it is up here. The old girl is running. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Thank you. Here's a crossing ahead. I'm driving a So this is a section that hasn't been plowed before. Wow, it's way easier to plow. I'm not fighting a frozen snowbank like I was on that other stretch. This is not frozen, so the tracks actually dig in. I have some pushing ability, and I'm not fighting all the frozen snow on the road. So yeah, this is pushing much easier. Hey, and if you want to join the thousands of people that have already joined this channel to help it out, that'd be awesome. Thank you for that too. So there's a short stretch here, just a couple hundred yards, where we gotta share with a snowmobile trail. You know what's hilarious? We gotta be really careful here. But what's hilarious, if you see that arrow, it's pointing to the right, but yet clearly the trail goes to the left. Don't ask me. I have no idea. That's my road. Well, my access is this old trail. It's about the size of a four-wheeler. So this entire strip of birch is going to have to be good. I had to push a bunch of trees over there. I'll have to pick them up when I get back here. That was too narrow, too sharp a corner. Build the road. Got back to my pickup at 5 o'clock. That's good timing. Except for I need to plow out that road system yet. According to Dean, it was 26 below when I shut this thing off, I don't know, 8 hours ago. Because I didn't get the D6 started till like 8 o'clock in the morning. Nothing to it, fired right up. Of course it is almost 0 or something now. 0. Yeah, we don't have a temperature. Remember that one? Throwing a little fuel in you, give me a nice little drink. Burned half a tank of fuel. You wouldn't think pushing snow was that hard, but it definitely pushes hard. Yeah, I'm glad you were a good girl today, because you know, I was a couple miles away from my pickup for part of the day, and that'd have been a long walk on a day like today, being this cold. So I appreciate you running like a top. Thank you. Really hard to see out of this thing at night, but I thought I'd do a little more plowing. As long as it was warm. I ran back here and did this block. Well, my pickup should be warm. I started that a little after 5. It's almost 6:30 now. I gotta clean out these rollers so they don't freeze and they still roll. I don't really need to record me cleaning out the tracks, but I need the light so I can see what I'm doing. Top rollers. Oh no. Why is this one so full? Not as easy as it was last night. Clean out. Well, that'll work. Good enough for government work? No. Good enough for the girls? No. Alright, let's go home. Nope, not that way. It's back this way. Oh, and thanks again for being a good girl. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Metro.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom, aka Stump Fighter, says thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.